You're not broke. You're just spending faster than you can survive. And the worst part, you still think you're doing okay. You get paid, you feel relief, then it's gone. Again. Bills, food, subscriptions you forgot. Little things that don't feel dangerous, but they are, because they add up, quietly, slowly, then suddenly. You look around, and nothing changed. No assets, no safety, no progress, just consumption. You're not building, you're maintaining an illusion, and it's expensive. Here's the lie you believe. As long as I can pay, I'm fine. No, you're not fine. You're surviving. There's a difference, a big one. Survival feels normal until something breaks. Your car, your health, your income. And suddenly, you can't keep up because you never built margin. You built habits, bad ones, spending habits, comfort habits, escape habits. Every dollar you spend is a soldier you send away. Every dollar you invest is a worker you keep. Guess what you're doing? You're firing your workers every single day for things you won't remember. You say, I'll invest later. No, you won't. Because later needs discipline. And right now, you're choosing dopamine, not strategy. Let me interrupt you. Right now, you don't have a money problem. You have a behavior problem. And behavior compounds fast. If you spend more than you invest, you are training yourself to stay poor again and again and again until it becomes identity. I'm just bad with money. No, you're consistent, just in the wrong direction. Ask yourself, are you feeding your future or starving it? Because one day, you won't be able to spend anymore. And on that day, what you built is all you'll have.